What is up, Nico Vlogs? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today, me and my bro Cesar and my buddy RJ going out again on the boat. Take y'all with me. Hopefully we catch something. Nico Vlog. Stay tuned. We out.
Yeah. Drop by that bitch, she got me annoyed. Pop me some pills, I hop in the void. I push like a piston, no Detroit. Smoking out loud, I'm smoking out noise. I got a hood bitch, she got a cute voice. This is my lifestyle, not a choice.
Literally right off the launch, just launched. Oh, they hungry today. What's up, buddy? Yeah, Nico, you did not just hit it. Come on, Big Nick. Come on, Big Nick. Get it, son. Get it, son. Get it, son. Oh, he's on the boat. He's on the boat. Pull in. Yeah. Two back to back. That's how we do it around here.
Well, you're not driving nowhere. What you gotta do, just keep your line up, dude. And then you can feel them when they bite it. We're gonna get two, we got one. You got one, jackass. There you go. Where's your line at? RJ, slow down, where you going, dude? Oh, go straight, don't turn it. This is where me and Cesar are fishing on both sides right here. See, look at my line. Yeah. I was like, hold on, look at where the fuck go. It goes right there, around there, that's it. Oh, dang. He said no. He said move, RJ. No. Watch out. Watch out over your heads. I said watch out, nigga. No one probably comes over here, dude. Oh, you're right here, right here. Ready? Watch out. Oh, let's go. Come on, baby. Oh, there's a little jet ski right here. Just a wheel guy. Just a wheel guy right here. Look at this guy. I'm just trying to catch me like a 6-pounder, you know? Little guy. Dude, I just said make sure my shit up on the water. Bass number 2, baby. Let's get it. 2 to 1. See you later. Oh, man. Catch him again. I'm gonna name him Flipper. I thought it was me, dude. I was looking around. I was like, my line's pulling harder and harder every time I reel it in. Vlogs for watching another amazing video. Successful day. I got 2. Bro got 1. He lost 1. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload another video. Nico Vlogs, we out.
Bro, I hit the dash. She suck my dick, I count this cash. Play with the bands just like a toy. Play with the gang, we finna deploy. Play with the gang, yeah, you get destroyed. I drop off your bitch, she got me annoyed. Run to the bag, I can't look.